Which in the last video lecture we have given the syntax and different conditional statement and their syntax and the example. This time we have seen in the practical manner onto the script mode of Python. I have designed all the conditional statements related programs. First we have focused onto the if conditional statement. If conditional statement, here you can find out a variable I have declared num. Num contains the different numeric value during runtime and we can find the even number. Okay, if the value is completely divisible by the 2, then it produces the even number as an output. So let's we execute this one, run. Okay, source must be saved. I have saved it. Okay. Now you can find out after saving it, given the prompt will be highlighted, enter any numeric value. Suppose I have given the numeric value t, given number. Okay. If condition judge only single statement. Again we execute it. And this time I have given the value 11. What the output? Nothing will be output. Why? Because the if condition evaluate only it if condition evaluate only true condition. If the condition evaluates true, then it given the output. Okay, if the condition evaluates false, it not given the output. In the case of 10, it given the print the even number, but I have again re-enter the value 11. In that case, it not produce any output because the condition is evaluated internally wrong. How? 11 mod 2. That means we can divide the 11 by numeric value 2. Its remainder is not equivalent to 0. When we divide the 11 by 2, its remainder is 1. And after got the remainder 1 equal 0. No. In that case, the single if statement going to the false. And after false, it not giving the output. So if condition only just the true condition only. Single if statement only just the true condition. If I have elaborated the program again, suppose I copy it, I perform the copy operation, Control C, and I include also the logic for the odd number. If num mod to not equal, we produce the sign not equal to 0, and here I have slightly changed the odd number. Now this single if example given the output in both condition, either condition evaluates true or a condition evaluate false. Okay, now we again execute it, run. I have given the value 10, it print the odd number. Again going to the run option and again click on the run module and 11. Now it is odd number because I have also mentioned the logic here for if num mod 2 not equal to 0. In that case 11 mod 2 the remainder is not equal to 0. Okay, 11 mod 2 it is the output is 1. 1 not equal to 0, condition is evaluated true and it produced the odd number. I think this video lecture is clear for the single if statement. Now come to the second one, if else statement. In if else statement, the same program will be mentioned here. Again, we can find the even and odd number, but here we have mentioned the if and else block. If block execute when the condition evaluates true. Else block execute when condition evaluates false. Now again we execute the program, run module. Again we save it. Okay, after saving it can be, now this time I given the 8. You can find out even number 8 is the even number. Again I execute it. This time I given the 9. It also print the odd number. In that case, if I given the 8 mod 2 Here I put the value 8. At first we put the value 8. 8 mod 2 equal to 0. That means the remainder going to the 0. 8 is divided by the 2. The remainder is 0. So it is the even number. In case of 9, its remainder is 9 mod 2 equal 0. That means we can divide the 9 by the value 2. Its remainder is 1, not a 0. In that case, the if block, this one condition is evaluated false. In that case, the else block will be executed and given the output as an odd number. Now come to the next, last one. If else statement. It contains the, you can find out there is the program. It contains the multiple if elif statement. Okay. Now the how program will be work here. Here we can find the arithmetical operation. And out of arithmetical operation, one operation can be performed. Either you can perform addition at a time or a subtraction, multiplication, anyone. Okay. So how syntax will be work? During runtime, we can take the input as a first number that can be stored inside the variable A. Again, we store the second value that can be stored inside the variable B. Now, the next one, we can asking the choice. Press anyone. If this user press plus, the CS store the plus sign. Plus will be matched with the plus sign and addition will be performed. Suppose user given the minus, press the minus sign. In that case, it can be matched with the second condition. Minus equal minus. In that case, the subtraction will be performed. Again, user press the multiplication sign. In that case, star mark is matched with the star mark and multiplication sign will be performed as an output. So you can find out there the number of signs, mathematical sign are here, out of which one sign user can press and it given the output accordingly to. We can do in the practical manner. Run, we click on the run module option, enter first number, I given the 20. Again, enter second number, I given the 10. Okay, now press any one sign. Suppose I have pressed the sign minus. What the output? Subtraction. Because the minus match with the minus sign, minus match with the minus sign, and it given the output 20 minus 10, the subtraction, and 20 minus 10, what the output? 10. Okay, again we execute it. Okay, again we given, suppose I 30. In the second time, the second value is the 50. Now I perform the slash. That means the division. Slash match with slash and it given the 2.0 as an output. In the same manner, again we have performed the run 8. Okay. And I have not given the any arithmetical sign. I have put the question mark. Okay. Look. What is given here? It can given, sorry, that is going to the wrong. Run it. At first, run it. It's asking for the value at first. I have given the 25 for the variable A and 12 for the variable B. Now I have pressed any one other sign except this one. Okay, question mark. Look, invalid sign. Input correct again. Why it is? Because it not be matched to the program. Okay, it not be matched to the source code. The question mark is not mentioned inside the if elif condition. So automatically the else block is executed as a final output because all conditions are internally evaluated false. So else block is executed as a final output and it given the output invalid sign, input correct sign. That is the all. Okay, so I think these three different conditional statement I have seen you the practically try to do all the source code in the practical manner at home. Thank you and have a good day.